Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the point. Who's ready to hunt? Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. Let me know if you can hear me all right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So SNOA is pulling back. This one was on the top main list for today. It hit the target around the 539 and now it's pulling back. Once the market open, we might test this resistance around the 460, which is the current resistance at the moment. We got AGRA, the same. It pulled back now. It's pulling back. It might jump again if we broke this current resistance around the $2.26. We got ICCT is moving as well. DJT guys doing fantastic at the moment. It's going toward the resistance, the 25.50. Yes, 25.50 should be a good resistance for today. Today we got a few stocks did really good in the earnings. We got GEV, we got APH doing fantastic. 11%, jumping 11% at the moment. The market is on the green side, guys. Especially Tesla did a really great job of jumping up at the moment after the earnings. 8%. Riot doing a great 5% at the moment. We got Mara 4% as well, holding the gain from yesterday. Yeah, so the market is technically correcting, guys, especially for SMCI as well. Finally, we have a major jump from this ascending channel. And today could be the day that we'll see a test for the 37, the main resistance for today. Palantir, the same, doing all right, jumping, breaking a new resistance for today. Every day we have another jump for Palantir. Guys, we gonna correct. We're already corrected from the bottom here. Look at that. We already did 48% for Palantir. Man, this is crazy. Last reversal, we did 35%. Then we flush. Now we did 50%. We almost giving or taking back all what we lost. It's going to all-time high around the 100. Now it's around the $99. The reason for that, guys, the SPY is getting near the breakout zone right now, around the 550. So yeah, technically the market is doing all right. Let's see cryptos. If yeah, Bitcoin, it is around the resistance zone. Today we might have a breakout for Bitcoin, guys, and go on the green side as well. Yeah, Bitcoin doing great right now. Almost at all-time high Bitcoin. Again, Yeah, this one looking all right as well for today. RZLT. It could be good for today as well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm here, man. One day closer to this financial time bomb going off. Yeah, the SPY looking great. Good morning, Mohammed. Smash the like button on the way in. Thank you for reminding everybody. Barty boy, I will check PHUN, of course. NEOV have news. Let's see. We got a few stocks here. PHUN. We got NEOV. Mohammed said have news. JYD flying. Okay, let's see. You mean flying down? I will check it right now. Let's check those three stocks for today, if we got something for them. Yeah, JYD, yeah, reversal from the bottom. Whoa, yesterday we flushed down 48% and now it's jumping up. What's going on with this one? Yeah, this one is a roller coaster ride. It's going higher, but now it is struggling to do another jump. Yeah, 100%, but it is too risky, guys, because it's heavily shorted. So I don't trust it that much. Wow, this one, it is too risky, guys. Yeah, the reason is because it's light on volume right now. NEOV, no good at all. PHUN, no good. Light on volume as well. Yeah, it is too risky as well. So PHUN, Party Boy, could be good after we break the $3.50. If we broke the $3.50, let me know, because after that could be good for a play. For now, it's too risky before the earnings. So still, we've got those stocks. AGRI is still should be number one, but SNOA should be number one right now. ICCT is on the list as well, and DJT. The rest, we gonna keep them on the waiting list. MLGO did great for holding over our support yesterday. WNW is still trying to break the 276. HTZ to break the over the $10. Webull reversing from our bottom, the 21. Yeah, we got a huge day today, guys. Today could be a huge green day for many stocks. And we see that before even the market open. We see the sign of strength before even the market open. Let us double check if we got everything in order here. ENSC number one, but I don't like the technical. We got IPM reporting earnings today. Now we got mini stock reporting earnings today. We're gonna discuss them later on our Discord. For now, let us check the top gainer for today. We got, yes, this one, SNOA, AGRI. This is it. Those are the stock that we could or should watch for now. Okay. Let's go. Studio. Good afternoon, John. GameStop, Tesla earnings. Not good Tesla earnings. We have even bad revenue, but we jumped anyway because of the market is correcting. Tesla was a bit lucky to hold. What about BBAI? I will check it, man. For now, AGRI is still looking all right. Okay. Try to put okay. I think I'm gonna try it later. Try to put the chat in front of the screen. Okay, let's get right to the business. Uh-huh. Okay. Here we go. Interesting. Voila. Maybe I'll put it there or there. Anyway. So AGRI we got here, we got SNOA doing all right, still holding the support. DJT guys is still jumping like crazy. GameStop, some of you ask about GameStop. GameStop doing all right, getting near the breakout zone right now around the 29.90 guys. 29.90, it is the current resistance at the moment. Low profit, how you doing, man? How you doing, my brother? How are we doing with SMCI? Great question, man. Great question. Mm, great question, my brother. I'm gonna put it down. Okay. For SMCI, guys, looking interesting here. SMCI looking interesting because we held the 27 and now it is about to test this resistance. So we're not in clear yet, guys. We're not in clear. SMCI, yes, broke the first trend here, which is over this ascending channel. But we're not clear yet because the SPY is still below the 550. We got Tesla jumping, all right, but still below the 259. Right, and the other stocks the same, is still below a major resistance, guys. I'm watching right closely for a pullback. We might have a huge pullback for today around the 690. Netflix doing all right, but still have a resistance. So the market is still below a resistance. Let's get right to it, guys. How everybody doing? NIPS, yeah, NBIS, we'll check it. Lano and order. Thank you for reminding everybody to hit the like button on the way in. UPXI, I will check it for you, brother. UPXI, I took it from the list for a reason because it's not looking good. Now it started to reverse. Yes, a bit. Yes, we got a bit of resistance around the 12. Today, UPXI want to go toward the $18. Current support for it is over the 764. So we have the 18. 60 and the 29, the top target for UPXI. Doing all right today, 24% up. Again, guys, today we didn't do our live streaming. The reason is because I have a bit of trouble with my software OBS. The reason is because I did an update for my Mac, and once did the update for my software, my OBS stopped working because I have to update it as well with the new version of my Mac or my operating system. And that's why I didn't do the live streaming for today, because I downloaded the new version of OBS. If you don't know what OBS is, it is the live streaming application that make me stream right now on YouTube. So yeah, so sorry guys, if you are one of our hunters on Discord and Bitcheon, yeah, today we didn't do our live streaming because of that. So I fixed the problem because I believe there's always a solution for every problem, but we need some time to fix the problem. That's why we didn't do the live streaming for today. Let me just put the link to our community on Patreon Discord if you want to join, guys, for early hunts for today or tomorrow, because every day there is a new live streaming, new unicorn every day. GYD levels, I will check it for you, brother. GYD. Aha, GYD is still on our list here. Okay, so this one, brother, I don't like it that much. It pulled back a lot here. Resistance is a bit far, around the 26. Support is the 16. Target to go is around the 33 and 43, but I don't trust it because it's light on volume. I don't trust this play that much, man. UPXI could be good for today, so I'm gonna keep it on the main list. DJT looking great as well to break the 25.50 for today. ICCT $3.45 should be a good breakout zone. We got SNOA looking great as well to hold the support right now. Guys, come on, we have more than 120 people watching, but we have some of them, or many of you guys, didn't press the like button. So if you're driving or you're watching while you are in your job and you're afraid your boss seeing you, don't do that then. If you are at home and you're not driving, then press the like button. So disclaimer, thank you DMS for remind us about the disclaimer for today. Let me just bring my disclaimer for today before the market open. We've got a few minutes left. Thank you, brother, for remind us. Disclaimer for today, guys, because we got 2 minutes left at the market open. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed. We're not financial advisors, so do you do diligence before you put your money on the line. Today, it is Wednesday. We've got 2 days left for the end of this week. The market is reacting, guys. The market is a bit of a green. Yesterday, we ended up in a green. Today, the SPY is on the turning point. We might have the turning point for today. GYD 27 million. Holy moly. Volume is crazy. Yes, I know. So, guys, 2 minutes left. Let me bring my holy water and let us start our hunt for today. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, lift off, guys. Lift off. The market is started. Let's get right to it. We got SNOA pulling back a bit. Your screen is freezing. Not anymore, brother. Not anymore. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is moving up. UPXI, VRT. Yeah, we got a huge test right now for our support for SNOA. AGRI still holding. ICCT still holding. UPXI looking great, guys, for a breakout. UPXI around $12. It could be good for today if we broke this level. And update for the profit taken is around the 1358. The other profit taken is around the 1538. Or yes, here 1315. 1315 and $15, guys, for UPXI if we jumped. Current updated support for UPXI, it is over the 970. How everybody doing? We got SNOA flushing down. Not good here, guys. I think we're gonna go down to test the $3.38. Yeah, now it is weak, guys. SNOA, it is weak from my side. I don't trust it right now. And the current resistance is lowered right now around the 434. Yeah, we got a lowered resistance. So SNOA, I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put instead ICCT, maybe UPXI, the rest. Yeah, let's see if we got something moving. MLGO is moving. I think we might get halted again for MLGO, guys. It tested our support that we discussed yesterday over the 940. Webull, not much. Let's check the swing trade stocks here. APH have earnings, guys. It hit the first profit taken around the 72, right now going around the 79. We got GEV, the same, have earnings. TSM doing pretty good, guys. It's about to test the resistance right now to break from the 160. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed on this majestic semiconductor stock. APLD, guys, reversing from the bottom. It held our support, the $3.78, and now it is testing the resistance. The market is doing fantastically good. Tesla is pulling back hard, guys. Tesla is pulling back because, as we discussed earlier here, this is the resistance, the 260. Yeah, now we have a little pullback for Netflix. Palantir pulling back a little bit, but still holding the gain. SMCI jumping up, guys. SMCI doing fantastic. As we said from yesterday's video, it might be this is the bottom that we were waiting for. 12% right now for SMCI, and it's still jumping. SMCI, guys, looking fantastically good. ENSC. Yeah, SMCI looking great, guys. SMCI looking majestic. Finally, we have a comeback for SMCI because lately it is beating down and weak. For today is different story. Yeah, SMCI, I think we've got a little resistant right now around 3450. Yeah, we got a little resistant. Let me just bring another support at the moment that we should hold, which is the 3180. Strong support, guys, here we got for SMCI around 3180. Current resistant, from my opinion, is right now around the 3457. And the main resistance is the 37, 33, but a bit far. Yeah, this is for SMCI looking all right. Semiconductors doing fantastically good as well. Nvidia jumping, but yeah, the resistance is a bit far. We have a bit of hold up for Mara Coinbase because it's overextended from yesterday's jump. Tesla pulling back a lot, guys. So for Tesla, there is a chance for a dip, guys, for a reversal. Right now, we should have a reversal, guys, over the 244. Because if we pull back until the 234 is me, we're gonna flush down. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla should reverse now, man. This is it. 244 should be a good reversal zone. Otherwise, we're gonna flush. I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we broke this support to alert me for Tesla. This buy is still, guys, didn't break the 259. We're gonna give it some time for this breakout to happen. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. What a crazy day. Let me just check ENSC. Many of you asking about this. 116%. Yeah, this one, guys, I don't like it that much because it is overextended here. It needs to break the $5. It's still holding the $3.50. So if it broke the $3.50, I will be away from it. Will be dangerous. It's mean we're gonna go down. If we held here, would be great for another jump toward almost the 8 is a bit far. The 8, yes, a bit far. So I'm gonna put it around the 6. The ultimate target is around the 8, yes. But for now, it seems to me is a bit hesitating to go higher toward the 5. We'll see if we hold over the 350. So I'm gonna watch it. ICCT is still weaker here. Still weak. UPXI still weak. AGRI still weak. SNOA still weak. DJT tested the resistance and pulled back. GYD, MLGO, we have a bit of hesitation, for my opinion, for the markets. Many of stocks did really good in pre-market and stopped reacting. Tesla reacting right now. We have a big buyer over the 244. This is it. Yeah, the 242 should be the bottom right now, or the support for Tesla. 242, yes. So this is the support that we should hold at the moment for Tesla. If we held, we're gonna have a huge reversal for Tesla right now. SMCI doing crazy good. We're testing the first resistance around the 34. This is just a test, guys. The main resistance is 8% far, around the 37. We got another resistance here, I think around the 35. Yeah, we got another resistance. So I'm gonna update the levels minute by minute. We got another support here. Yeah, we got another support here, 32.99. It's getting near another resistance around the 35.48. SMCI 12%, guys. This is finally, we got some action here for SMCI. Yeah, SMCI is still loading up on. We got a huge loading up for SMCI. The NSC is still holding sideways. Let's see if we got any stock getting halted at the moment. MRCB halted, MAS, Foxo. Not a lot of stocks, guys. We don't have a lot of stock got halted. Not many stock getting halted at the moment. Yes, it's really nice to see SMCI trending upward finally. Yeah, earning coming up. So we got a bit of volatility. This is good that the earnings coming up. Tesla, yeah, no good. SMCI 14 next Monday. We'll see. We shall see. LAES, I think we covered this one last year. Yeah, is dead for today. ENSC is still strong. UPXI, nothing much. SNOA, guys, is a bit weak. It's about to go down toward the support, the 3.30, so it's not ready for reversal yet. DJT pull back. For my opinion, guys, we don't have a strong stock for today. Like, we don't have a strong stock that jumping up at the market open. This could change at any minute, so that's why I'm checking every stock every second. Like ENSCS or ENSC is still sideways trading, but this is could change. This is could change at any second, guys. EN ENSC. Yeah, this one could be good. Okay, the strongest one, the top gainer for today is ENSC with UPXI, guys. The same could be good for today if we held the 6 or the 969. UPXI give us signals right now is around the 1111. Yeah, UPXI could be good as well, guys. I'm watching it closely. Was the top gainer early this week. What else we got here? We got SNOA, nothing much. DJT, nothing much. Yeah, the top two, yeah, is UPXI and ENSC. The rest, I don't like that much. Yeah, the rest is still sideways trading. MLGO could be good. GameStop's pulling back. WNW, nope. So I'm gonna take this one from the list. GameStop from the list. Not yet. Not yet. Gonna keep this one. GYD, game over. ICCT, yeah, light and volume. This one, I'm gonna take it from the list. Okay, so this is leave us with this list. ENSC almost hit the $5. We went until at least the 485 and pulled back. So we're not yet ready yet. For Tesla, still pulling back down. We might go toward the 400 or 242 before we reverse. We got the reversal right now, pulling back for the markets. SMCI is still strong, guys, but it's getting near a strong resistance. So we might test the 35.48, then we pull back toward the 34 and the 32 for a correction. Yeah. TNT have good earnings, but right now is neutral. It's really slow. So I'm gonna take it from the list. NE, I was hoping for a pullback for this stock, but it didn't pull back, so I didn't trade it. I'm gonna put the resistance there. Take it from the list as well. Horizon, nothing much happening for this one. G looking all right. Netflix looking all right. TSM looking fantastic here. Yeah, TSM looking really all right. APLD is still looking all right because we discussed this one on our Discord, guys, before. We said the $3.30, it is the bottom support reversal. Okay, IBM earnings due to today. TIVC, juicy dip coming. I will check it. HTZ, Webull. Okay, so Night Rider, you ask about IBM. I think have earnings yet today. TIVC, juicy dip. I will check it for you. We got HTZ and Bull. I will check those four. Request a stock from our elite members right now without waiting. Let's check those four stocks. IBM, yeah, we got earnings today after hours, exactly. So IBM, it is going toward this resistance, brother. So yeah, we got a resistance for it around the 254. This is the resistance. Profit taking is around the 265. The current support that we should hold for today, we got yeah, the bottom is the 203, and the support reversal is here 223, 216. So if we don't break this resistance, we're gonna go down, and the pullback could be 12 or 10%. So I will wait for this dip. If we go down, could be really good to buy the dip here, and the other dip is the 203. But if we have good earnings, we could go up straight forward toward the 265 and do 6% or more, 10%. This is for IBM. TIVC, on the other hand, it is now pulling back. It a bit dangerous. This one is not day trade. It's not swing trade. It's a day trade. Now it is pulling back. This one have to break the $8.15 to squeeze up toward the 9.90 and the 12. If we didn't, yeah, we're gonna continue to go down, but I don't suggest to buy the dip because I don't trust the support. HTZ, this one have to break the current resistance to go higher once again, and the current support it is over the 824. Again, this one is a bit risky because the levels are a bit shady. Target is $11 for this one. In the big picture, look much stronger over this ascending channel, the white line. So as long as we hold this current support, this stock will continue to go higher toward the 11. If we broke the 825 or this white line, I will wait for this reversal entry, 715, and the 629 for entry and exit very quickly. Very quickly entry and exit. Finally, we got Webull. Webull have a resistance right now around the 28.46. Yesterday, we already did chart analysis update for our hunters to exit from Webull exactly around the resistance, the 33.04. And we hit the resistance after we did this chart analysis update yesterday, and we pulled back from it. And we already took profit on it for Webull yesterday. We exited around 31.55 before this pullback, yeah, around the 32. It was really good exit here. And now the short seller added their position again around the 28.46. Now, if we broke the 21.84, the best dip is the $16 for reversal, and exit should be around the 18.85. Okay, this is it for those stocks. Perfect. Let's go back to our main list for today. We got ENSC, guys. I think is not good right now. I think it's gonna flush down. Yo, be careful, guys. I think this one was gonna flush down. Yeah, it's gonna flush. It's gonna go down. UPXI, on the other hand, is about to squeeze. So UPXI is number one with the MLGO. DJT still looking great. SNOA could reverse later. RZLT could be good. ENSC is still okay if we held the current support over the 3.54. But UPXI, it is about to squeeze here, guys. So we should watch it. SMCI is still holding. Tesla still pulling back. Yeah, crypto stock doing fantastic today. Look at that. SMCI, finally, we got some action, guys. Finally, we got some action in the neighborhood. Okay, we got SLXN, SMCI to the moon, Doland. Yeah, everybody talking about SMCI. Yeah, it's been a while, man. It's been a while, SMCI going up. Finally. Yeah, the now guys, SMCI, it is the main event for today. I think can I put it here? It is better. and put this like this. Yeah, SMCI guys, the 3550, it is a critical zone. You see, that's why we pulling back right now down for a correction. This is normal, everybody. This is normal. SMCI looking fantastically good right now. Finally, we have a bit of pullback. Finally, we have a bit of pullback. Yeah, the pullback started for SMCI, guys. This is normal. Tesla, the same, is pulling back right toward the support, the 242. Be careful, Tesla is pulling back because the short seller added their position here. Huge position opened around the 259.59. Now we got ourselves a correction. A correction is coming for Tesla. UBXI, guys, is preparing for something drastic here. This stock is crazy. Look at this. We have a huge wave, then a pullback, huge wave again, and we might have a jump right now at any moment. Who like waves? Who's surfing? Because the market is like a wave, man. Once the good wave has come, we should be ready of course, to be ready to surf the wave. Who's ready to surf the wave, everybody? I am ready. I don't know why many traders forget about like about the market being like a system. You know, every system is going through a lot of changes. Like, for instance, your body is a system. You go from being a baby to a grown up to an old, then you disappear from the earth. So this is a kind of a change in the system. So this is normal. The same with the market. The market always changing, and everybody getting scared when, like, even my friend yesterday told me about you should save money, the market crash is coming, and I told him, come on, man, every time we have market crash, everybody think it's the end of the world. And the best example is COVID. Everybody think or thought this is the end of the market, the end of our life. And guess what happened? Many traders make billions, made the killing during the market crashes. So if you don't know, now you know. Market crash, market boom, if you know what you doing, you could capitalize in both. You don't have to worry. But if you don't know or you be afraid every time, of course, even if the markets jump, you're not seize the moment because you're afraid. Josh, thank you, man. Every time I say something that is relate what you're learning at the moment. Great. So what you learning at the moment, man? UBXI entered water at 11:11. Oh, brother. Oh, yes. UBXI is jumping up, guys. Holy moly. This one give us a signal from the angel number 1111 and give us a signal, and now is jumping right now toward the 1315. Great. UBXI broke up exactly. UBXI is breaking up. Josh, good that I hear that many traders learning a lot by watching our live streaming. For me, I'm learning every day, man. Every day I'm trying to learn something new because it's impossible. If you're a curious person, of course, if you're a curious person, it's impossible to be bored. Even if you don't have internet or like the junk, we call it junk information. This is what make people not curious anymore because you fed with information, but junk information. I'm talking about pure information by being yourself and being curious about whatever surrounded you. So yeah, if you're being curious, every day there's something to learn. In trading, I'm talking about in trading, in learning anything, there's something to learn. And Josh Ruher, I don't know how to spell your second name, but this is good that you mentioned that you learned something, or we mentioned something here on our live streaming, and this is the thing that you're learning at the moment. This is good. Abu Bakr, one day they will be right, but at that time, money won't matter anyway. You know, like it's money, or we not just money, but uh, a way of exchange value is will be there as human is there. So money is the best exchange of value that we created right now. So if you go back in time, we always have something. Like before we have like gold, before that we have sheep and animals, before that we have a lot of a way of exchange value. So money will stay, man. It will stay as long as a human is there on Earth or on other like galaxy. If you think about it, is really important. How everybody doing? AREB reversing. I will check it right now, brother. I will check it right now. Josh, psychology behind trading. Okay. AREB, you guys, UPXI, we got a little test and we pulled back again, so we don't have a clear breakout yet. Warning. AREB, let's check this one out. AREB, guys, yeah, is jumping up. I think is halted, man. Maybe is halted. It is light on volume, man. Still light on volume. Let me just double check here. Wow. Okay, ARB I think is not halted, but it's just light on volume. Yes, it's really light on volume. So be careful, brother. It might right now test the 288, then pull back. So I don't trust it that much. It is too risky because the short seller is still heavily positioned around this area. We have a huge flush back in 17th of April, guys. This stock went from the 7 until the $1. Imagine, a huge flush. Now is pushing back up. I'm gonna put support just in case here around the $2.34. If in any case we pull back, yeah, we got a bit of support around the $2.37. For now, yeah, we got resistance around just below the $3. Yeah, if we broke this level, we might squeeze more toward the $3.45 and the 450. But yeah, the 237 should be our support right now. ENSC is still pulling back. This one trying to break out. MLGO, nothing much. UPXI, now it's trying to break, guys. UPXI is looking great right now. Let's check the other stock that we put them on the list before. Nothing much happening for them. Webull is flushing down, guys. WTF is moving, testing the resistance. Let's check Tesla. Yeah, Tesla started to hold. Yeah, Tesla looking great right now, guys, for a reversal over the 242.62. Yeah, it could be really good for a reversal. Because if we held the current support, it could be really good. SMCI is pulling back, guys. Fantastically good. This is good reaction that we pull back here. Realistic pullback. Psychology behind trading. You know, Josh, that the psychology behind trading is infinite, and it's crazy because if you learned about psychology behind trading, you could use this information and knowledge to use it even in your daily life because it's the same, technically the same. But the psychology of trading you studying, you have to focus on the psychology of the crowd. This is the most important thing because there's scientifically proven right now. They said the crowd behave differently on like a person. So if a person have like emotion or decisions, the decision will be different if this person inside the crowd, even someone smart and never do bad thing, if you put this person inside the crowd, he will follow the crowd. So the crowd, if they started to like breaking things, burning cars, even the good person will turn to be a bad person just by follow what the crowd do. That's why it's really dangerous to be inside that crowd. And that's why for me, I don't like big events like in the football or music festivals. I think is crazy. You feel like you are turning to a different person. Some people like it, but if you are critical person and you like to think by yourself, you understand what I mean. So yeah, psychology behind trading is crazy. Pony, you asked me about this so many times, brother, and I didn't check it for you, but yeah, it looked really good. However, the action, it is a bit slow because it's heavily shorted as well. I don't like the technical that much because it could pull back at any moment. The $5 could be a good sign of weakness. If we pull back below the $5 will be a warning sign for pony. AREB, guys, started to squeeze over the resistance and now is going toward the other resistance, which is the $2.23. We're going to adjust the profit taken around the $3.65 and the 450. So yeah, AREB, guys, tested a major resistance around the $2.23. This is the main resistance right now. AREB doing great. UPXI, we have a fake out officially. I don't like UPXI at the moment because we have this little fake out. Yeah, now it's pulling back a bit. So technically the resistance right now, yeah, we got, yeah, it's really tricky UPXI here. Pretty tricky around this resistance. The main resistance should be around the $13, but we pulled back before it. So UPXI is a bit dangerous, guys. For now, I don't like play with fire with UPXI because of pullback. MLGO, on the other hand, yeah, is getting near a breakout zone around the 1170. DJT still pulling back. Yeah, AREB doing right now, but is about to have a pullback as well. SMCI is still holding over the 32, and Tesla started to reverse again. Yeah, Tesla could be good for today if it held the current support. Yeah, UPXI playing games, man. Playing games. I don't like those kind of stocks that playing games. Stocks that playing games and girls who playing games. I don't like it. You know what I do in this kind of situation, guys? I just leave them be. I'm not the guy who playing games, man. If you play games with me, I will leave you. Because there's other stocks don't play games, are straightforward and know exactly what they want. For UPXI is delusional. UPXI is delusional stock. Okay, guys, for now, we got a huge update to do for you guys later on here on our Discord. We're going to do a huge update. For now, we have to wrap up our live streaming. We have to wrap up our live streaming for now because the market, it is still active. eTrice as about RWV, have to read the book Trading in the Zone. Yeah, already read this book. CRWV, let me just check this one for you, brother, before we wrap up our live streaming. So CRWV, 9% up, yeah, jumping nicely, and this one could be good. It have a resistance right now around 4450. The support, it is around the 3732, and the profit taking, it is around those technical zones. First, yeah, resistance and profit taking is right now is around the 4480. After that, the 49. But the most important level that we should hold at the moment It is over the 37, yes, the 37.24. Let's see how much we could pull back here. Yeah, 10%. So this is the current area for this stock to hold. So this is for CRWV. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update later on our Discord as usual. ENSC is not good. Let's see, ENSC. Yeah, it's not good, man. I don't like it. It pulled back a lot now. Anyway, guys, we're gonna do a major update later on our Discord as usual. We're gonna do a swing trade as we discussed yesterday. Tesla, it was really good trade yesterday. We did for Tesla. Today we're gonna do another swing trade on our Discord and Bitcoin. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunter channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow at the same time for our YouTube channel here. 30 minutes before the market open and almost 3 hours before the market open and our Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, stay blessed, don't over trade, and let the price come to you and never ever run after the price. Thank you for watching.